Hi friends, welcome to Mathstone. In today's video, we will learn to find the factors of 90. So let's learn. Firstly, we will express 90 multiplicatively in all possible ways. Let's start with 1. 90 can be written as 1 times 90. As 90 is an even number, so it can be expressed as 2 times 45. Let's try for 3 and look that 3 times 30 gives us 90. Next number is 4, but it does not divide 90. So we will try for 5 and 5 times 18 gives us 90. Next number is 6 and we see that 6 times 15 is equal to 90. The next number is 7, but 7 does not divide 90. The next number 8 also does not divide 90. So we will try for 9 and 9 times 10 gives us 90. Next number is 10, which is already here. So we will stop here. We have obtained all the factors of 90, which are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 30, 45 and 90. So the total number of factors of 90 is 12. Now give a close look at these factors. Here 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers because these three numbers do not have any other divisor than 1 and that number itself. So we get the prime factors of 90, which are 2, 3 and 5. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. If you find it useful, please leave your comment in the comment box.